Our last day here all together, and we're taking a walk. Sky! We're taking a walk for the last time through the neighborhood, but now at the other side. So again, a walk through the neighborhood, and you got a rambutan in your mouth. Yum yum. And now it's Sunday. Sunday, July 17, 2022. And it's our last day here together. Tomorrow I fly back to Manila.
Papa, this way.
That way? Okay, I follow.
This way.
Again, another part of the area that we live in. And now we're walking more down, and the other time that we've been walking, we'll be walking more up. And it's a sunny day. It's hot. And yesterday we got a big rain and thunder yesterday, and a long brownout. Oh my god. Eating his rambutan. We're home. We eat some ice cream.
Ice cream.
Diri sa pikas. Diri sa pikas kamot. Balhin ba?
No?
You walk with your papa. First day and last day.
No.
What's that?
Rambutan.
Where do you get that?
Pangaya mo. I drink. I drink. I drink.
You drink? Thirsty? We're not been walking.
Bye-bye, go.
Everyone thirsty.
Hi. Hello, everyone in the Netherlands. It's me with Papa, AJ, and Papa. Hello. And bye-bye, Philippines.
You walk. Nah. The dog is chasing him.
This way? Okay.
Kabalo na yung mo.
Say it again.
Yeah.
This way? Okay. That way? Okay. That way. Okay. You're the boss.
No, I'm the boss.
Oh, are you the boss?
Yes.
He's,
Right?
he's baby boss.
Yeah.
And what are you? Princess boss?
Now.
And the buwang boss? And there's the biggest boss of all. That one.
And you.
Boss. Mama boss.
And Papa boss.
The mama boss and the baby boss.
And
Yeah, you.
Papa boss.
No.
Papa Well, you're not the boss. Papa. To be the
When I'm here, Mama is the boss.
boss.
And look how cool Nathan's new Captain America Adventure shirt.
Nathan.
No more? Yeah, but bring the bottle. Save the bottle for me for tomorrow when I go to the airport.
I drink all.
Yeah, you did drink all, and the water was supposed to be for me.
No more.
So this was our last walk through our neighborhood. With the kids, with the kids.
When we're in the house, we eat ice cream.
And when you're in the house, you eat ice cream.
Yes.
Yes, it's your old school.
Yes. That's my school.
Yeah, your old school.